Yo, this face paint tutorial is for the current mixed tag team champion in AAA, Mr. Iguana. Check it out.
I started this look by blocking out my eyebrows with a clear Elmer's glue stick. My goal wasn't to completely conceal my brows, just to lay them flat so they wouldn't pop through the paint. Next I applied No Pore Blem Primer to my skin, just to filter any imperfections and help the makeup go on smoother. For the surrounding areas of the mouth, I applied Maron Paradise paint in light green using a medium detailing brush. This section of color extends up to the midpoint of the nose and covers the nostrils. It covers the chin below the bottom lip, with the exception of a midline that will be filled in with black later. This is what the light green section should look like. Has anyone seen La Yesca? Next, using a black eyebrow pencil, I began outlining every section of the face that will be filled in with black. This includes the outer third of the face on both sides. It covers the eyes and goes up to the top of the eyebrow. It also extends over the middle part of the forehead in two sections that go to the upper back of the head and stop. This black face section looks like a heart with two tapered points just outside of the eyes. It kind of helps sell the whole reptile look. Once the black shapes were outlined, I began applying dark green from the Blue Squid Pro palette to the outermost section of the face. Cover the whole side of the head, the entire ear, and up to the black outline. If you guys have a favorite wrestler from Lucha Libre Worldwide, let me know who it is in the comment section below. Fill in the middle head portion with green, extending it down to the middle of the nose. Then fill in the other side of the head with green, including the ear again, down to the chin, and the greater portion of the side of the head. If you can't buzz or shave your head for this look, you could definitely apply a latex or cat plastic bald cap first. If you guys want to see Mr. Iguana on the main roster in WWE, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Once the green sections were complete, I began filling in the two parallel lines on top of the head with Maron Classic Black. Extend this section down to fill in the cheeks and eyes. I filled in the bottom of both sections with black, where it becomes more narrow and connects to the side of the lips. Then I went back and filled in the other parallel lines on top of the head. I really focused on making this design symmetrical and crisp to emphasize the contrast. I've seen a few versions of Mr. Iguana's face paint online that were more muddy, but I was going for top tier quality here. Illusionist, this isn't 100% accurate to what I saw on the Worlds Collide match.
Unsubscribe.
Fill in the entirety of both eyes with black, including the waterline and the upper eyelids. Fill in the upper lip and lower lip with black. Extend the black on the lower lip down to the middle of the chin and fill it in with black. It kind of looks like a soul patch. As a final step, I extended the darker green section below the ear and back behind the head so the paint would appear more like a mask. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Peace.